Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine in your homes. So, students, let's start a new topic in math today, that is addition. Addition means increase in number of things. इंक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. जब हमारे पास कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं और कुछ और आ जाती हैं तो उनमें एक एडिशन हो जाता है. ओके, सपोज आई हैव वन पेंसिल. I have one pencil and my mama gives to me two more pencils. Now how many pencils I have? I have three pencils. So there is increase in the number of pencils. Earlier I have one and now my mama gave me two pencils. Now how many pencils I have? I have three pencils. So there is increase in the number of pencils I have. Okay? जो हमारे पेंसिल्स का नंबर था जो मेरे पास थी, पहले एक थी, दो मेरे मम्मा ने मुझे दे दी, मेरे पास कितनी हो गई? 3. तो इधर एडिशन हो गया. नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स में क्या हो गया? एडिशन. एडिशन मीन्स इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई हैव. जो हमारे पास चीज़ें होती हैं जब कोई हमें और दे देता है वो चीज़ें बढ़ जाती हैं, तो दैट इज अ एडिशन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक सम अनदर एग्जाम्पल. सपोज आई हैव 2 स्केच पेन्स. कितने स्केच पेन्स हैं मेरे पास? 2. And my mama gives me 2 more. मेरी मामा ने मुझे 2 और दे दिए. Now how many sketch pens I have now? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means there is increase in number of sketch pens here. Earlier I have earlier I have 2 and my mama gave me 2 more. Now I have 4 sketch pen. There is an addition in the number of sketch pens. Increase in the number of sketch pens that I have. Okay. Now let's take one more example. I have 1 sharpener and my mama gave me 2. How many sketch pens? How many sharpeners I have now? I have 3 sharpeners. There is increase in the number of sharpeners. Earlier I have 1 and now my mama gave me 2 and I have 3 sharpeners here. Clear everybody? So addition means increase in number of things that I have. जब भी हमारी चीज़ें बढ़ती जाती हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं addition. Okay, now let's start with the help of sums here. When we talk about the sums, you have done sums in KG class, I think so, up to the ones place. I have told you about the place of the number. Here we will do the sums only at a ones place, that is at a ones place, that is the name of that very place is ones. Here what is there? Upper number is 5 and lower number is 3. When we do the addition sums, we follow a particular formula and particular technique to do this. Suppose so that there should not be any mistake. Upper number is 5 and lower number is 3. And we use the formula on the head and on the finger. Upper number is on the head and lower number is on the finger. 5 plus 3. 5 on the head. 5 हमारा हेड पे जाएगा और 3 हमारा फिंगर पे जाएगा, तो वी हैव आंसर 8 हियर. एंड व्हेन वी राइट द आंसर, वी राइट द सम इज THE the, SUME sum, IS is, and आंसर इज 8. द सम इज 8. आंसर में हम पूरा लिखते हैं द सम इज 8. एंड यू सीइंग हियर आई हैव लेफ्ट वन line and one box between the ones place and the one number here, because when we do the carryover sums so keep this point in your mind. When we write the sums in the copy, we'll leave this box, because when we do the carryover sums and we have to write the carryover number here. Okay, and in subtraction we do the borrow sums and we write the borrow number here, so we will do that later on. Okay, so this box is used for this purpose. So whenever you write the sums in the copy, leave this box and write this pattern. Okay, you have to follow the same pattern here. Leave the box, write ones and tens, and then start doing plus the sign and answer the sum is. Okay, and here is again 1, 6 plus 2, and this is a sign of plus. 6 plus 2, 6 on the head, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7 and 8. Answer is 8. The sum is 8. Beta, when we do the sums, you have to follow some rules. First of all, we have to see the sign. Okay, sign is to see the sign is very important, because when we don't know the sign, you don't see the sign, we can make the mistake in the sums. Suppose there is a sum of subtraction and we are doing the addition, so our sums that will be wrong. Okay, see the sign properly, see the place, and we start doing the sums always from the ones place. Start doing the sums. Here I have done only with the ones place. Earlier we will move towards the tens place. Okay, so start doing the sums from the ones place. ठीक है, from the ones place, and after that see the sign and then start doing the sums. And in the addition sums, in the answer we write the sum is. Okay, now move to this, very easy. 2 plus 7, you have to keep in your mind upper number on the head, 2 on the head and 7 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because 7 fingers are open, so answer is 9. The sum is 9. Here 4 plus 5, 4 on the head and 5 on the finger. 5 finger are opened here. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 9. Again 4 plus 4, 4 on the head, 4 on the finger. After 4, 4 on the finger, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. The sum is 8. On my head I can't show you right now, so I am just showing the fingers. 2 plus 6, 2 on the head, 2 number is on my head and 6 are on finger. ठीक है, these are the 5 and this is my 6 finger. Okay, 5 and 1. So what we will do, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8. Okay, so answer is 8. Clear everyone? So next one is second last, 1 plus 5, 1 on the head and 5 on the finger. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. The sum is 6. Now 7 plus 3, 7 on the head and 3 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. I have written 10 here, but you have to keep one thing in your mind. When there is answer in the 2 digit, what we do, and there is only ones place, because when there is a tens, then there is a sum of the carryover. Okay, but it's a ones place. Write the 0 here and ones to the next place, because it's a tens place value ना, 2 digit value हो गई हमारे पास, तो 0 will be below the ones place and 1 that should be moved to the next place means after the ones there is a tens. Okay, so students, I have explained sheet number 39 to you, so just do the sheet number 40. Complete 39 and 40 in your math assignment. So addition means increase in the number of things. Okay, जब हमारे पास चीज़ें बढ़ जाती हैं तो उसको हम addition बोलते हैं, बट जब हम sums करते हैं तो we adopt the formula on the head and on the finger. Upper number on the head and lower number on the finger, and then we'll start the counting after the number that is on the head. And 5 is on the head, and after 5, after 6, आफ्टर 2, जो अबव नंबर है उसके बाद वाली हमने काउंटिंग शुरू कर देनी है अपनी फिंगर्स ओपन करके. जैसे आफ्टर 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, देन आफ्टर 4, आफ्टर 2, इसके साथ आफ्टर ऐड हो जाएगा और जितनी फिंगर्स ओपन होंगी उसके साथ हम काउंट करके आंसर लिखेंगे, और आंसर में हम लिखेंगे द सम इज. ओके, और जब हम कॉपीज़ में लिखते हैं तो ये वाला ब्लैंक हमने छोड़ना है, बिकॉज जब हम कैरी ओवर या बोरो के सम्स करते हैं तो इधर हमने लिखना होता है कि क्या बोरो किया, क्या हमने कैरी किया, तो ये हमने ब्लैंक छोड़ना है. जब भी कॉपी में सम्स करेंगे तो ये वाला पैटर्न ही हमने फॉलो करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो ऑल द बेस्ट. जस्ट कंप्लीट योर शीट 39 and 40. Take help of your mama to understand these sums. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.